recovery towards the day's end, but that has not been the case. It's been very nominal. We're still below the 26,000 mark, but we're closer to it than we were at the start of the trading session. So maybe that is the takeaway today. Sensex also absolutely flat. It's dwindling between the green and the red right now. You have Nifty Bank that's made its way back into the green, 0.2% uptick coming in. So strong support coming in from Nifty Bank as we speak. The broader end of the market, however, continues to be biggest laggard today. You have the Nifty mid cap that's lower by about 1%. Nifty small cap too lower by about 0.7%, largely underperforming what the benchmarks are doing. Taking a look at the advanced decline ratio towards the day's end, it's once again steeply in the favor of the declines, and quite the ratio over there, 1:2 in terms of advanced to decline. So that is not looking very supportive for the market breadth. India VIX continues to be absolutely flat. You have Wipro, Hindalco, TCS, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis. In fact, these three private banks were the top Nifty gainers yesterday as well, and they continue to make it to that list. So it's private banks and IT that have done very well today. On the flip side, it's Max Health, 3% cut over there. Tata Consumer, Adani Enterprises, BEL, Interglobe Aviation, Shriram Finance. Surprisingly, in this list, after quite the run-up so far this year, it's the top Nifty 50 loser, one of them at least in today's trading session. So that is on the Nifty front. Sectorally, we have some more sectors that have made a dash for the green. IT was already in the green today. Wipro, TCS, Emphasis, Infosys and HCL Tech. Good moves over there on the back of the weakness that we've seen in the rupee. But now you also have Nifty Financial Services and the Nifty Bank that has once again made its way to the green. Pharma metals continue to be on the flat line, but major cuts on realty, FMCG, energy, Nifty Auto, and of course PSU banks after the word coming in from the Finance Ministry that the FDI ceiling is not going to be raised. So you have immense pressure on Indian Bank, PNB, Canara Bank, PSB. These are some of your top losers today. And yes, Angel One on the back of week November update, 5.5% cut. That's one of the top Nifty 500 losers. But DOMS on the back of bullish brokerage note has done really well, a 5.5% uptick over there. So these were some of the stocks that stood out today. But on that note, we'll start winding it down on this edition. And in fact, we're completely timed out. 25,985 thereabouts is where we've ended. We'll give that rate some time to settle, but seems like we've once again shut shop below 25,600. But on that note, it's a goodbye from Harmony and the team that put this show together. Thanks so much for tuning in.